insanely cool cars, tool reviews, and auto repair videos. Hello, and thank you so much for joining us for another video. The Volkswagen Beetle, aka Volkswagen Type 1, this popular little German car is known by many other nicknames. Can you remember any of those nicknames? Comment below. Lead engineer Ferdinand Porsche and his team took until 1938 to finalize this design. According to the Mercedes-Benz website, Bella Berenier is credited with first conceiving the original design for this car. They point to his original technical drawing in 1925, a full 5 years before Porsche claimed to have done his initial version. With over 21 million produced, the Beetle is the longest running and most manufactured car of a single platform ever made. The original air-cooled Beetle was mass-produced from 1938 till 2003. On July 30th of 2003, the last of 21,529,464 Volkswagen Beetles built since World War II rolls off the production line at Volkswagen's plant in Puebla, Mexico. This particular Beetle seems to be from 1953 to 1958. Judging by the back window. The rear window before 1953 was a split window design. After 1958, the rear window was noticeably larger. During the 1950s, engine power increased from 30 horsepower to 36 horsepower. A door was added to the glove box. Yeah, before then it was just an open hole. Another improvement to the window cranks, which meant they only required 3.5 turns. If that sounds insignificant, it's not, because previous years required over 10 turns of the crank just to close the window. Can you remember some of the other Volkswagen Beetle improvements during the 50s? Please put them in the comments. This example of the Volkswagen Beetle is manufactured by Majorette. The French company Majorette has been very popular with discerning collectors since they started producing die-cast cars in 1964. Do you like this style of video? Would you like to see more about our die-cast classic cars? Please let us know in the comments. You can purchase many of these die-cast automobiles on saintauto.com or our eBay store. Both links are in the video description. What are your favorites? Would you like to see more Mopars, Ford, GM, or imports?
Mustangs.